Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add a repeated reminders on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up at the bottom of the screen to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe across and open up the app library. In the app library, open up reminders. So tap on productivity and finance. Then tap on reminders. Next, tap on new reminder at the bottom. And in here, give it a title. So I'm going to say repeated reminders shopping. Now you can add in notes. So I'm just going to say test. And then go down details. In the details, you can turn on date and time. When you turn that on, it will allow you to choose the repeat option. So tap on repeat, and here you can choose repeat hourly, daily, weekdays, weekends, weekly, once a month, every 3 months, every 6 months, yearly, or you can even set a custom frequency. And that's it. So now I'm going to say choose weekdays. So every weekdays from 2 p.m. it will remind me of doing something. And you can choose end repeat. So when we'll end, so we can select an end date, 28th, and that's it. So from now on, for the next few weeks, at 2 p.m. during weekdays, it will send me a reminder. And then tap on the add button to add the reminders. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.